This morning, we're actually seeing more in the way of 97 million people under winter weather alerts from the west coast here through the central plains and, of course, the northeast, including those mid-Atlantic states. Those winter storm warnings, they've been allowed to expire for parts of the D.C. region this morning. Schools are closed as residents start to dig out from 6 to 12 inches of snow. Here's a live look outside the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. The storm is even affecting Congress as it's delayed a Senate confirmation vote for one of the president's cabinet members. The conditions in Virginia caused several crashes, leading to highways shutting down yesterday. Virginia road crews in some counties worked 12-hour shifts to cover as much ground as possible. State leaders are urging people to stay off the roads as cleanup continues this morning.
We're back out putting salt and sand on the bridges and the overpasses. People should stay home. If you don't have to go anywhere, don't go.
You heard it there, and a little bit of some snow still lingering through parts of southern Pennsylvania and Maryland, but actually lots of freezing rain down towards Roanoke with not much in the way of precip. Those winter storm warnings have been allowed to expire. But let's take a look at some of the snowfall reports. Iron Gate, West Virginia leading the pack, 14.5. Cape May, New Jersey, 7.8. Dover, Delaware, 7.5. D.C., 6.5. Martha's Vineyard checking in this morning, too, with 2 inches of snow falling. Now, we do have more snow in store. This storm system a little bit further north, actually Chicago region. Lots of schools being closed today as they do have more in the way of these winter storm warnings. Could be dropping a quick 3 to 6, even 6 to 12 inches throughout parts of southern Canada as the storm system just drops a little slushy coating here for us in southern New England. But